Okay, so now that you've known a little bit more about volcanoes, it is time for you to make one. We're going to make a volcano, and I understand that you are at home. That is probably difficult to get all the materials. So, what can you do? You can, if you have, you can use some clay. This is clay. I just brought that from school, but I understand that you don't have that. So you can make it out of clay. You can make it out of sand. You can make it out of paper, out of recycled materials. You can use whatever you want, and that's the fun part of this. So you need to make a volcano. Mine didn't turn out so good yet because there are some things missing. A volcano is mostly not completely white. Sometimes yes, but not all the time. So I'm going to draw it. So which are the colors that I have to use for my volcano? I need some brown, I think, because most of the time the base of the volcano is brownish. So that's what I'm going to start with. This, and I'm just going to paint it. Like this, like that. And what do you think that we are going to do with this? What if I told you that my volcano that I'm painting now is going to explode? Would you believe that? Or would you say, nah, that is not possible? How are you going to do that? I'm telling you. And do you remember why volcanoes explode? And what happens with that and why? Do you remember? Just learned a lot about that, don't you think? So just paint it, paint it, paint it, paint it. So you can continue like that. I'm not going to do everything right now because it's gonna take me a lot of time. I will show you the end result later. But I also need some green because my volcano has some green on it. So I'm making the green paint ready now. That starts to look like more like a volcano. Like that. Just a bit like that. Maybe you have like dinosaur toys that you can put around them so that it's going to look like a real volcano area. What do you think? And guys, have you ever seen a volcano? Probably here in Chile or in another country. Have you ever seen a volcano? One time I went on vacation and we stayed in like a bungalow, and we had view over the volcano, and at night we saw that there was like some kind of steam coming out of the volcano. Did you ever see that? So what does that mean? Is the volcano still active? It is, eh? Some volcanoes are still active. And what does it mean when a volcano is active? Who knows, who knows, who knows? So, what do you think? Does it look better? There's something missing here. I'm going to put some orange to pretend that there is lava. Because we've just learned that inside of a volcano is lava. So I'm going to draw that here. Of course, in a real one is not like exactly like this, but I think that it looks pretty with the other colors. So now I'm going to try to find some dinosaurs maybe or some other animals that I can put here. And I'm going to show you a little thing that's going to happen with this volcano. What would it be? What is going to happen to this volcano? We will see that very soon. I'll be back.